So if ever you're new here, hello, my name is Alyanna, and for today's video, we will be doing a room makeover. So basically, yung ginawa ko dito sa room, hindi super drastic yung naging change niya compared dun sa before clips na ipapakita ko sa inyo later. Ang problem kasi dito is this is the shape of my room, and I have 2 doors, and I also have 2 tall windows, and I have another small window. So as you can see, wala akong side ng wall na talagang free yung paglagyan talaga ng kung ano-ano. So most of the furnitures that I have in this room are customized, and hindi ko na-vlog nung kasi before ko pa ma-start yung makeover, nagawa na yun. Pero before, hindi pa talaga kompleto yung items sa room ko. So talagang blank pa and inuunti-unti lang namin siya. So before we hop right into the actual room makeover clips, I just want to share something really personal. So if ever hindi kayo interested, sige go, you can go ahead and skip this part. Pero if you want to know a little personal story, then just keep on watching. So I have noticed na ang dami talaga gumagawa ng mga room makeover videos ngayon kasi syempre quarantine, so maraming time yung mga tao and yung iba siguro bored. But for me, siguro oo, may time and somehow bored, pero this whole room makeover is a fulfillment and definitely a dream come true. Kasi nga growing up, I never really had my own room. So dun sa old house namin, nag-share lang kami ng sister ko sa isang room. And mas maliit pa siya sa current room ko ngayon. Kaya nung lumipat kami sa house namin ngayon, I am very, very grateful kasi nagkaroon ako ng sarili kong room. And wala, super excited talaga ako kasi nga made-design ko na siya according sa gusto ko. Magkaroon ng personal touch kasi solo ko na nga yung room. Kaya, ayun, this quarantine, talagang I spent time and effort. I just wanna share that this means so much to me. Kaya, binlog ko rin kasi nga I wanna keep it so I can look back to it sa future. So, without further ado, let's hop right into the video.
So here's what my room looks like before I start the makeover. So as you can see, hindi naman talaga siya super magulo. Pero I feel like may something kasi na kulang and I wanna make it more organized. And may mga part din kasi na kailangan i-usin like my door and yung switch ko dun sa may desk area ko. But when I first got my furniture, so natapos na silang magawa, ito talaga yung itsura ng room ko. And as you can see, meron pa akong rack doon na tinanggal ko na. And since I am very indecisive, nilipat ko rin yung ibang furnitures ko sa ibang area ng room ko. So now that you have seen the before clips of my room, let's now start with the makeover. Basically, in my plan, I will not actually change the position or the layout of my furniture since, as I've said earlier, complicated yung structure ng room ko. So, mahirap na mag-iba-iba ako ng pwesto ng furniture.
So, the first area that I'll be fixing is my desk. And basically, I just want it to be more spacious since this is where I'll be spending most of my time. So, I added some shelves for me to be able to decorate it with more stuff, but at the same time, have lesser stuff on the desk itself. So as you can see, baligtad yung pagka-attach ko ng bracket since I wanted to have like a floating shelf effect. And during this time, wala po akong drill. So minano-mano ko lang talaga yung pagbutas ng wood. Sakit-sakit na po ng kamay ko. And thankfully, merong drill yung kapitbahay namin. So thank you po kasi big help talaga. Mas napabilis yung work ko. So kung hindi niyo po kami napahiram ng drill, baka tagal pa bago matapos. So yun, thank you! So after that, tinanggal ko na yung luma kong curtain dito sa window ko sa desk area since I will change this into blinds. So, hindi ko ma-figure out paano ko i-install yung blinds. So, mag-search tayo. butas lang yung dinril ko. Tapos, hindi ko pa siya nasagad dun sa dulo ng kailangan kong lalim. May konti pang kulang. Tigas-tigas na ng wall, hindi na siya nagbubutas. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. So, tinigilan ko na. So, pagod na rin ako.
Naka-video ka?
Ay, oo nga, hindi ko pala pinatay. Patayin ko mama. Yung pula.
Saan ko papatayin? Ba't naman ganito?
Yung pula. Yung pula.
Ito?
Yung pula. Yung pulang bilog.
Hindi ko alam. Ba't naman dito? Kasama pa ako sa recording, no?
Dala natin ng assistant for 2 minutes. Tapos nagre-reklamo na. Oo, Marty.
After installing the blinds, I first sanded my table kasi I will be repainting it because as you can see, it's very dirty na kasi dito ako nagpipaint. And ayan, napagod na po ako dito sa maliit na roller. So I've decided to use a bigger one. So for this area, dapat lalagyan ko na ng wallpaper, but I feel like it will look too much na, kaya ni-repaint ko na lang. Then, in order to save desk space, nilagay ko yung iba kong organizers doon sa my window. So here, as you can see, may butas yung wall ko because of the curtain before. So in order to hide that, I used this vine to somehow cover it. And para makover tong hole na to, tinikitan ko na lang siya ng isang leaf. After the desk, yung door naman yung inayos ko. So what I'll do here is to just repaint it kasi wala akong masilya. So hindi ko pa mako-cover up yung cracks for the meantime. So while I was repainting it, this suddenly happened. Tinanong ko yung mami ko kung ba't naging ganyan. And sabi niya baka raw may something sa paint na ginamit dun dati dun sa ginamit ko ngayon. So tinigilan ko na lang siya, hindi ko na tinuloy yung pagpipaint. And tinikitan ko na ng wallpaper yung poste dun sa may door ko. So ayan, nirepaint ko lang din yung sabitan ko dun sa may door. And to be honest, diyan ko po talaga sinasabit yung towel ko. And nilagay ko na lang din tong vine to somehow cover the crack dun sa door. So after that, yung closet naman yung inayos ko. And basically, ang plan ko lang dito is just to repaint it and to reorganize my clothes and change the hangers. And since sliding yung door ng cabinet ko, tinanggal ko na yung knobs. And what I did was, for the right side ng door, in-over ko siyang buo ng wallpaper. But for the other side, strips lang para kahit paano meron pa rin matirang gray and mag-match siya dun sa headboard ko. So for the vanity area, my plan is to just change the furniture na pinagpapatungo ng vanity mirror ko. And then, dinikitan ko lang ng wallpaper yung visible side. And inassemble ko lang yung table na pagpapatungan ko ng vanity mirror. And dinikitan ko ng white wallpaper kasi hindi ko gusto yung original color niya. The original plan is i-repaint ko talaga dapat ng white to, but tinamad ako, so dinikitan ko na lang din siya ng white wallpaper. Kabilang side ng vanity, hindi ko na nilagyan ng wallpaper and tinikitan ko na lang siya ng hook para doon ko isabit yung plug ng light. Just to give you another backstory, ginawa ko to around 5 years ago, I guess. And sabi ko sa sarili ko, ilalagay ko to sa magiging room ko someday. Kaya I really made sure to keep this one. So what I'll do for the bed is very simple kasi papalitan ko lang yung beddings. Then here, I'm just sewing a pillowcase para dun sa malaki kong throw pillow. So for the electric fan, I just want to turn it into something like this. So since my electric fan is color black, what I'll do is I'll repaint it white and use this wooden wallpaper for the other parts. Tapos na ako sa spray paint kaya ang pangit na tingnan. So, ayusin ko na lang siya some other time. So for the mirror, my plan is to change the color of the frame and to cover the cracks dun sa may side. What I used to cover this one and yung crack sa mirror are these fake monstera plants. And dinikit ko lang siya dun sa area na yan. Kuha ko ngayon ng plants sa jungle ng aking mama. Garden pala. Ito yung jungle ng mami ko.
Ayusin ko naman yan.
As you can see, jungle po talaga. Ayan, hanggang dyan. So, isang real plant lang talaga dapat yung lalagay ko sa area nito. But my mom gave me this real monstera plant. So, I made a way na isingit din siya dun. And we're finally done with the room. But before the reveal, let's first take another look of what my room looked like before the makeover. And now, here's the final result of my room.
So that's about it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed and I hope this video inspired you in a way. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to, and I'd really love to see you on my next one. Bye!